Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In this video, we will learn about traveling salesman problem. So, what is traveling salesman problem? Basically, in this type of problem, we will be given adjacency matrix, and we have to find traveling sales TSP using branch and bound method. So, what we have to find in these problems, we have to find the optimized solution using branch and bound method. So there will be a graph given or a matrix representation given, and we have to find the minimum cost for a vertices starting from, and the all the other vertices we have to traverse. So how these problems are solved using branch and bound method? I have solved a problem, so let us see how we will solve it. So basically, the adjacency matrix representation of a given graph is this. So first we have to reduce this matrices. How we will reduce this matrices? See, first we have to write minimum of all rows here, like this is minimum of first row is 4, second row 9, third row 3, and fourth row 5. And after that we have to subtract each minimum value in their respective rows for reduction, like 12 minus 4 8, 7 minus 4 3, 4 minus 4 0. Similarly, all the other consecutive value we will subtract from their corresponding rows. After that we will write the minimum values of their columns, like here 0, 1, 3, and 0. Then we will subtract the corresponding column minimum value of their column. So this minus 0, this minus 1, this column minus 3, and this column minus 0. So we will subtract each with their corresponding minimum column value, and after that we will get this type of a matrices. This is the minimum column value and this is the minimum row value. So how reduced cost, this is the our required reduced matrices, and how the reduced cost can be calculated. So reduced cost can be calculated by adding the sum of minimum values of their corresponding rows and columns. So 4 plus 9 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 21. 1 plus 3 is 4. Adding these two will give us 25. So reduced cost is 25. So basically there are 4 nodes. So the graph should have 4 vertices. That's why let us assume that the reduced cost of first vertices is 25. After that, if one of the vertices we have traversed, then we have 3 more vertices left. We can say that vertices number 2, vertices number 3, and vertices number 4. So after that we have to find the cost of vertices 2, vertices 3, and vertices 4. For that we will find their corresponding reduced cost matrix. So for matrice 1 to 2, for cost of second vertices, here the reduced matrices we got. In this matrices we have to put the first row as infinite, and after that the second column as infinite, first row and second column as infinite. After that we will put 2 comma 1 second row first column, this value is also infinite. After that we will reduce with their corresponding minimum row value and column value, like we have done here. How we have reduced, we have already known it. Similarly we will do for this. and after that we will calculate their minimum cost. So here this new matrices will have their reduced cost. How we can calculate? We can calculate it by the cost of 1 to 2 plus the reduced cost previous and the new reduced cost. Our previous reduced cost is 25 and cost for 1 to 2 first row and second column, this is 7, so we have put it 7, and the new, this is the new reduced cost. So add up all these, this comes out to be 33, so put 33 as its cost of second vertices. Similarly solve for 1 to 3 and 1 to 4. Similar process has been done for 1 to 3, first row and third column put in as infinite, and in the third step 3 third row and first column, this value is also put it as infinite. After that the same method is used, their corresponding row value and column value, and after that subtracting we will get their reduced cost matrices, and the similar manner we will find the reduced cost of that matrices by cost between 1 to 2 1 to 3 plus previous cost plus new cost. So what is the previous cost of the matrices? It is 25 and the new cost is 4, and the cost between 1 to 3, so first row third column, so this is 0, so we will put here 0, this comes out to be 29, and after that we will put the cost of third vertices at 29. Similarly we will solve for 1 comma 4, first row fourth column and fourth row first column as infinite, and after that we will reduce the same matrix, this matrices, and after that we will solve for their reduced cost between 1 to 4, their previous and new values. Previous is 25, new is 1, and the cost of 1 to 4 is 0, that's why it comes out to be 26, and we will put the cost of vertices 4 as 26. After that we have to see which is minimum in these. 26 is minimum, so we will solve for vertices number 4 further, because this is an optimization problem, that is minimization problem, so we have to find the minimum cost. So we will solve further for vertices number 4. So for solving vertices number 4 we will use similar method, but the main matrices here will be for the matrices, reduced matrices for vertices number 4, this will be acted as their parent matrices. Similarly like we have done for 1 2 1 3 and 1 4, we will do similar thing for 4 5 4 6, because there are 4 vertices 1 2 3 4, this is the vertices number 1 2 3 and 4. So vertices number 1 has been traversed, vertices number 4 has been traversed, after that two of them, vertices number 2 and vertices number 3 had left, and because vertices number if we see that we visit vertices number 4, then we cannot visit it because there are no connection or contact or edges or loop between 4 and 4, that is we can see the parent matrices 4 cross 4 infinite. This shows that there is no self loop or there is no edges between 4, that's why we have killed the node. So we will solve only for vertices 2 and vertices 3 from 4. So 4 to 2 and 4 to 3 we will solve for it. 4 to 2, this is the parent matrices, so we will put fourth row as infinite, then after we will put fourth column as infinite, and after that we will put 2 comma 4 second row fourth column 2 comma 4 as infinite, and after that we will reduce the matrices as we have done it earlier by subtracting their corresponding rows cost and column. So cost of 4 to 2 plus previous plus new, and cost of 4 to 2 is 0, previous is 26 and new is 0. So see, this comes out to be 26, so we will put 4 to 2 as 26. Similarly we will find for 4 to 3, fourth row infinite, third column infinite, and third row fourth column as infinite, and after that we will reduce this matrices with their subtracting their corresponding rows and column, and this comes out to be 32. Then we will put for vertices 4 to 3 as cost 32 in two of them, which is minimum, 26 is minimum, so we will further solve for 26. So as we all know that there were 4 vertices in the graph, and we have visited vertices number 1, vertices number 4, vertices number 2, then we have only left vertices number 3, so there is only one possible case for vertices number 3, so we will solve for it from 2 to 3, for we will solve for 2 to 3, and this is for 2 to 3. The parent matrices for this case will be 4 to 2. 4 to 2. This matrices will act as a parent matrices. So 4 to 2 matrices will be acted as parent matrices. What is the matrices of 4 to 2? This matrices we will use it as 4 to 2 as parent matrices. Then we will solve for 2 to 3 second row, and after that third column we will put infinite, after that third row and second column will be put as infinite, and after that we will reduce the matrices as we had done earlier by subtracting their corresponding rows and column. Here you can see that cost of 2 to 3 plus previous plus new, 0 plus 26 plus 0, this comes out to be 26. Then we will put here 26. So minimum cost is 26 for this problem. And what is the path? 1 to 4, 1 4 2 3, 1 4 2 3, and we have to also revisit the first vertices. We have written it 1. So how this is the process we can solve a TSP problem, that is traveling salesman problem. This is a branch and bound and optimization problem. We have to find a minimum solution. So this is the end of my video, friend. Thank you so much. I hope you will get it. If you have any type of query, please comment below. Thank you friends for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment.